Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. It's Monday, March 11th. I want to show you something real quick. I did this yesterday, and I don't know what made me come up with this idea, but I thought, I bet if this would be tasty. So I cooked 4 hamburgers yesterday. My younger daughter was here, and she had one and I had one. Now, this is what I did with the hamburger. Now, remember, this is from yesterday, so I cooked this yesterday. I cooked the burgers in my cast iron skillet, and then with the fat that was in the pan, I cooked up a bag of mixed peppers and onions. So that's what this is. Now, these are cold as well. So, they were still hot yesterday when I finished them off in the air fryer, but I just wanted to show you this, how to do this. This is going to be really tasty. Now, I got a spoonful or so of some of the pepper onion mixture. I'm going to use my foil. I'm going to pop this in the air fryer just to warm this up a little bit. I forgot one thing. On the pepper mixture, because all the pepper mixture had on it was salt. So I'm going to add, I put some cumin, and I'm going to put a little chili powder on top. Now, the one I ate yesterday, I put Italian seasoning on. My daughter just ate hers plain. But basically, I'm going to put this in the air fryer, heat it up in the air fryer, and then we're going to come back, put some cheese on it. We're going to pop it back in the air fryer. Okay, I just warmed it up just a little bit in the air fryer to take the chill off. Now I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on top. Now, if you want to do this in the oven, you can. And if you're doing this for a meal, you can actually cook your burgers, your peppers, top your burgers like I'm doing here, leave them in the cast iron skillet, and put them in the oven under the broiler, and they would be awesome. So, there you go. It's going back in the air fryer. I've got my air fryer at 400 degrees. I just leave these in there until the cheese gets all melted and a little bit golden. Okie doke. It's all done. That's how I like the cheese on there. Now, this is mozzarella cheese. It's just from the 8-ounce block from Aldi. So, I just buy that. It's a little cheaper, and I shred it up myself. So, I've got some pickles here. I'm going to put a couple of dill pickles on the side because they're delicious. And I'm going to sit down and eat this. Now, this is just, I don't know, I would just call it pepper and onion burger with cheese. And it's awesome. Get you up close there so you can really see what it looks like. So you can do these in a large quantity, and I just did 4 of them, so we each had one yesterday. I'm having this one today. That gives me one more for a meal. Or you can, like I said, do it in the skillet, put it in the oven, and do it family style if you want to. It's really, really good. Now then, this burger is keto friendly. It's got the nice peppers on there. It's keto friendly, and so if that's your persuasion, by all means, try these. Give these a try. I'm going to make these again because these were so good. It was like awesome. So I'm going to cut into this one here. This is really, it's rather hot. Now, the reason I put the cumin and the chili powder on there is because I wanted to give it sort of a Mexican flavor. Oh, wow, that's awesome. Yesterday, I put Italian seasoning on the peppers when I put them on the burger, and it was really good. It was almost pizza-ish or pizza-esque. So, it's really, honestly, really, really good. I hope you guys give it a try. All right, that's it for me today. I love you guys. You know I do. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? I love ya. Put in the comments below how maybe you would change this up to suit yourself. There's a myriad of ways I think you can do it. I think I'm on to something here. Okay. Please like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to ring that little bell so you can get notified when I put on another video, okay? All right. Love ya. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.